Scientists say they found the motherlode of planets. NASA confirms now its Kepler telescope has discovered more than 700 planets just outside our solar system. They say it just close to doubles the number of planets known to us humans. A little background here. NASA launched the Kepler back in 2009. Officials say it's discovered nearly 1,000 planets orbiting nearby stars. Its field of vision is about 30,000 times larger than the Hubble telescope. It's also the largest telescope scientists have ever sent into orbit. Now, back to these new planets. Scientists say all of them orbit in systems kind of like ours, where multiple planets circle a single star, and 4 of them are in so-called habitable zones, meaning temperatures are just right, not too hot, not too cold to sustain life. Let's get more with Bill Nye, the Science Guy. Good afternoon, sir.
So good to see you.
A lot of new planets. Where can we move?
Yeah. So what it means is we have a technique for, I say we, these guys have a technique for finding planets a little faster. Multiplicity, using statistical techniques to sort for stars that have big planets, and so you watch for them to dim the planet as they go by. 2 deep questions, Shepard.
Yes, sir.
Where did we come from? Are we alone? If you want to answer those 2 questions, you have to explore space. So when I was in school, people used to say, well, maybe there's it's traumatized, yes. People used to say there might be 1 planet on every 100 stars. That was speculated. Now it looks like there's dozens of, or about a dozen planets around every star. And so then if you can home in even more and say, there's several planets that are in this zone where you would have liquid water. You're not too far from the star where it's ice. You're not too close where it's just all the water's all cooked away and blown off into space. So those planets might be suitable for life. So that's where you point your radio telescopes and listen. That's where you do your optical search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Maybe there'll be a little light.
If we heard something, we could stop talking about all this trivial, nonsensical crap.
It would change the world.
Yeah,
it would utterly change the world. Now, it's not saying these people would come here, or these organisms could come here and we take a meeting. But if you had proof or reasonable evidence that there was life on another world, it would utterly change this one.
It certainly would. They're welcome
One way to make sure you never find it is never go looking.
We're right back.
That's why we do it.